Hey YouTube, how's it going? I hope you all have a phenomenal day today. We got another banger video for you on the channel. Today's video, it's another challenge video. We did spawn room only challenge. In the background, what you're watching right now is us finishing up round 19. And then the gameplay is going to start on round 20. And you're going to see how long we lasted after that. Cut it down to about 35 minutes for you. Because the entire gameplay was like an hour and a half. It's too long. Now, if you want to see more challenge videos like this, make sure to hit the like button. Comment down below what other challenges we should do. If you like the video, make sure to also hit that subscribe button. Daily uploads on the channel. Follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/Geesh30. Daily streams. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a nice day. Enjoy the video. Insta-kills are huge.
Yeah. They really are.
Insta-kills if we could pick up C4s, monkeys.
Yeah.
I have 220.
It's soft now.
Do you have any, like, field upgrade?
Yeah, I have a rocket launcher. Or, rocket launcher.
Grenade launcher.
Yeah.
Damn, you picked up an RPG off one of the zombies?
Yeah.
Oh, look who it is. Mr. Mini
It's
Chungus.
the full round of armored zombies.
So I guess it's around 20 that they spawn in.
I guess. I mean,
These guys stand up slower. It's a big nuke.
GG. Too easy.
Alright, so
We're splitting.
Monkey's gonna do his thing.
Yeah, should make this. Did you just throw a monkey?
Yeah.
They can't kill me.
God.
oh, one.
Man. Yeah, that's cool. I have self. Or if you want to get me actually.
Oh yeah, save this off.
Yeah. Woo! Stood me up right next to that homie.
Semtex grenade.
Oh no, this is dangerous. Oh god.
Okay. Okay, you threw that.
Oh, I'm left or anything.
He's camped by the thing.
I know he was. Bastard. This may be the end.
I'm gonna full send it for one.
Alright, keep shroud. I'll keep him off you. Yeah, I got it.
Big gun coming in.
Stop him there. Very nice. Very nice. This clutch.
I gotta buy another monkey before the round. I'm not gonna be able
man.
to. It's too late.
Yeah, I forgot to buy one too.
I don't think we'll get. I mean, knock on wood. I don't think we're gonna get megatons.
It seemed.
I don't think they spawn 2 rounds in a row.
Wouldn't that be some shit?
Honestly, if you pick up like a decoy, toss it down, like right by the exfil. Or not like right by it, because then you get stuck behind them. But you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Syntax.
What is that? Be new.
Exact thing that we don't need.
I appreciate you, game. Thank you. Thank you for your attendees.
Every time I throw a Semtex at him and it like sticks to one of them, I just end up zooting myself like half health.
Oh yeah, just sprinting at you. Oh my god.
Boom.
You know it's bad when you have to like six-shot a crawler.
Right? Oh my god. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, hello.
Oh my god.
You should say sorry to yourself, my guy.
Window fire. They'll circle back.
I almost let him right into you. Luckily, they followed me.
Yeah, yeah, all of them followed you. It's gonna be a long video just because we're not able to kill the zombies.
Yeah.
You could like grab a monkey or something.
Yeah.
Or actually, wait, like run this way, like with all the zombies, and take them. And then like run back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're fucking pro gamers, dude.
But now I have like 2 people's worth of zombies and no way to kill them.
I do. Oh my god, there's like a crawler in there? What the hell's hitting me? Alright, same thing, I have enough. We're gonna train together this way, and then we're gonna die because the zombies are gonna cut us off. And then when you come this way, I'm gonna cut back real quick. Oh yeah, they don't know what the fuck's going on. They're lost, dude.
Yeah, I got him clamped, bro.
Hook them up, Chippy. Now stay dead.
I do not have enough.
Kill. I will risk my life.
Do you have enough for a monkey?
Yeah, I can get 1 monkey.
Right, so we get 1 monkey.
I'm near a chopper gunner.
Yeah, if you want to hold off for a chopper, I'm gonna get a war machine.
Yeah. That's fine.
Alright, back to our respective spots.
Yep.
And then like when you have enough for the chopper, we'll just do the same like thing that we just did there for the monkeys.
Yeah, I think this. Oh god. Oh my god. But I think I'm gonna save it for Chun-Li.
Yeah. Oh, that might have been a wave. You gotta toss that. You gotta toss that bitch in the
I got him.
pond. Yeah, but the pond takes some of your guys too.
Yeah, my guys. Yeah, my guys. They all ran over.
Mobile meat pile fragged.
This spawn's big enough for them to ignore it. Give me that ass. Yeah, not quite. Almost get choppy.
It's like not even useful to use the gun, honestly.
Right. I'm sorry you're throwing tomahawks at him.
The only thing that happens when I turn around to shoot is I just take damage.
Basically.
Because we're also very limited in how we can train, because there's 2 of us training in 1 room. So like we have a much shorter time to shoot them.
I'll shoot one of them. Oh, excuse me. Shit. What the fuck? You're gonna have some guys coming your way. Come on, you're mentally, around. Cool.
Bye-bye, bitches.
He's doing turn around and shoot them, it's just pain.
Throw a decoy. You guys looking for me? Molotov going out.
Yeah, just really just don't be killing them anymore.
Like, I feel like we're not gonna die, but it's just gonna get like unbearable to play. Like, did my gun go down in damage? I'm only doing 74 to the head. Oh, they all just turned around.
Oh, they're down all right.
Stupid zombies. Oh, why? Oh, a monkey. Clutch.
Very nice.
Alright, so I'm also almost at a choppy.
Oh, I can get a choppy now.
So I think,
Keep that. Stand by.
what I'll do is I have a war machine already.
Sure.
So maybe like this round we'll like I don't know, like kill as many as we can with like shit that they drop from like the one zombie that we can kill with our gun. Toss some monkeys.
Maybe if you just shoot, like, you probably just shoot one more machine shot and kill a lot of them.
Yeah, you could probably
It
kill
might
like a
be an
train with
efficient
it.
It's probably a pretty efficient way to do it, honestly.
Can you put the war machine away after you call it in?
Yeah. Yeah. You just keep swap. If you press whatever your Y equivalent is,
Prepping war machine.
like you can just shoot one shot and switch it out. I can't shoot my shot before though. Didn't like that. That's gotta be the way. It's the only the way you could kill him.
Yeah.
Honestly, if you want to take my guys too and do the same thing,
War machine going out.
can't kill him otherwise.
Yeah, just run over to me.
You all get the idea yet?
Ooh.
You're dead, dumbass.
Yeah, if one of us just constantly does this, the other person buys chopper gunners.
Oh no. Just shred it. Yeah, I need to run.
Monkey's gonna do his thing.
Is that not gonna kill him?
Probably not. There's an instant though.
Sacrifice my life. Go sicko mode.
Woohoo. Oh man. Choppa Gunna time.
You lucky son of a bitch.
First, let me help you out before I goes there.
You split him.
Splitting.
There's another one spawning in somewhere.
Oh no, I don't think the passive is that big, man. Oh, I'm at a bad angle. I can't shoot. Excuse me, guys. No! It's my turn! Oh, this is something. Oh, man, didn't do much for me. I'm trying to get one real quick. Fuck.
So you can't afford it?
Yeah, I was gonna get a choppy. Or not choppy, oh, she's smacking. The aim launcher. Can't buy one.
I'll grab one next.
Split.
So let's definitely keep some of these guys alive.
Go.
Dude, I'll kill you with just these tomahawks. I've done it to your brothers before.
Right. Like, I'll just tomahawk you, man. You think I care?
Whoa. How are you alive?
That wasn't even meant for me. I don't know how I'm alive. Armor, I guess. That wasn't even meant for me, man. That's what the worst part is. He wanted to hit you. I did nothing to it. Oh god.
Ow. I got my tomahawks out of him though.
I can't risk it.
I'm gonna put that down as another win for me.
Oh.
Chill with the moves, my guy.
This guy doesn't know what's happening to him right now. I'm just getting hit with all the moves. Let's go. Easy.
Easy. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Stupid.
Alright, I'm gonna grab 2 monkeys.
Grab a monkey.
And a war machine.
Can't afford anything. Oh, I get a bow.
Can I have more than one thing?
No. Drop me one.
Oh yeah, do you
Get a
want one?
bow, but I think I'm just gonna wait for a war machine. Really get one. Hopefully after this round. If I use the. Ooh. You're going better than I anticipated. Go on, monkey.
Try the Semtex first. Oh my god, that did nothing.
Oh no, Josh, I'm stuck. Oh no.
Let me tell you, you looked silly when you were in there.
I look silly. I was risking my life.
Oh, we have zombies in bad positions right now.
We got a couple zombies.
Throwing monkey bomb. Utilizing war machine.
It's not even killing them all anymore. Oh, hello. Do you shroud today?
Yeah, I got shred.
Quit crying, you're fine. Dropped another zombie. Assaulting the war machine.
Hopping right out that window. Fucks me up. Please drop me rare salvage. I'm gonna risk my life for this insta kill.
Do you have a shroud?
Good shot. It would activate my case. Come on.
Cutting it fine.
Oh, there's a monkey on the ground.
Huh.
Now stay dead.
I sacrificed my life.
Monkey's gonna do his thing.
Nice.
Want mommy to kiss it better?
These are fun plays.
He's my kind of monkey. Mean as fuck.
Pretty sure our guns don't even damage heavy zombies anymore.
Doing 13 armor damage.
Oh my god.
We've done it. We've killed one armor zombie.
Prepping war machine.
That's crazy.
I'm gonna buy a chopper gunner.
Yeah, if you got the coin for it. Oh no, no! Stop, bro. Motherfuckers hop out the window and just love to block me. Run them through. I need equipment to kill them. I don't have it. My gun isn't doing it anymore.
Mobile meat pile fresh.
You got one of them monkeys?
No.
Damn, this is a long round. It's not gonna be fun when they all come out of their stomach. Eat my whole ass. Oh, chopper and the rest. Very much. Oh, oh! Rescue better.
What'd you say?
Rescue better. Oh. Okay, so I was wrong before. They do drop salvage. I was wrong.
Did you pick up that war machine that I dropped?
Oh yeah, I snagged it.
Alright. I was just making sure like it didn't just like disappear.
Over there.
This is interesting.
Hello.
Oh. We just threw so many semtex and grenades at those zombies.
They didn't know what happened. Nah, don't hit me like that, bro. It's just not kosher.
Yeah, it's not worth shooting anymore. It's
Here,
not
I'm
worth
gonna
the.
take them all.
Okay.
Try to change grenade launcher. Oh my god, even grenade launchers it's doing work, but like eventually. Excuse me. Even those motherfuckers mantle up. This is not gonna be cool when they turn around and eat me. Oh, they turned around and eat me. But how do we even have shrouds anymore?
That barely scratched.
We're getting so many kills at once.
I guess. Oh no, Josh Rosen. They turned around.
It might be time to use this.
That's right. I need War Machine. But I can't buy War Machine.
Ooh.
Oh,
You're dead, dumbass.
Daddy nuke.
daddy.
Exfil opportunity, strike team.
God damn.
Alright, I'm buying a monkey
Oh yeah, she
and a choppy. I think we're at the point where we need like a chopper gunner around. Because that was with a chopper gunner last round. It took that long.
Yeah, it's because we can't kill him, like, otherwise.
I'm just gonna go for as long as I can, like, tomahawking them and, like, picking up, like, C4s and stuff.
Oh, Josh, there's something behind you.
You shroud.
No, I had to come this way. They blocked me off the other way.
This is what I do all day, every day.
Oh, God. The chopper.
What?
What's the chopper? Here,
Say please.
say that. Please.
Fine.
Alright, oh, they're about to get my ass.
Splitting.
Another. Ooh, it's going right on me. Danger. This is not cool. It's not kosher. Go, monkey.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Another?
Bruh.
What kind of bullshit is this? I just used my shroud, but I'm down. Can you get me?
Assaulting with war machine.
This isn't gonna be fun, though.
Drone incendiary. C4 prime.
Oh, that's clutch. Oh, hello.
Ooh.
Dead man down. A lot of goo. A lot of goo. So much goo.
I'm down. Oh no, I'm correct.
Oh lord. Yeah, please don't smack me. Nice. Oh. I'm surprised we're doing this well, to be honest.
Crack gamers.
Crack gamers.
Give me that. How much more damage that tomahawk does than our gun? You can't even like accidentally kill the other zombie.
Just take it real quick. Ah, give me that. Let's try it.
I exchanged a knife for a hit. Don't goo me. Ooh.
sacrifice my life. Interesting. Oh, did I? Yeah. Oh yeah, didn't even knife.
Do you want to buy 2 monkeys and a chopper?
Yeah. He just dropped me a self too, just clutch.
Well, at least one of us got it.
Yeah. Chopper gun available for tasking.
I think I'm gonna buy a war machine, probably.
Yeah, I probably would. I don't know, should I just call it in on the zombies or should I wait for Chungus to come?
I would just call it in on the zombies. Try to wait for a bunch of them to spawn. That way, like, if they drop a bunch of salvage and stuff, like, I'll have enough to get another kill streak.
Sure.
I think max are in.
I think so too.
Here, everyone.
So much fun.
I will tactically avoid that nuke.
Yeah, just see it from this guy. Clutch though for afterwards. Man, the chopper is so much fun.
For this combo.
Oh lord, it's going down. No, I'm not. I am crap. Sorry. Sacrificed my life for this double point. Sorry.
Honestly, Molotovs do work against them. Because you could just, like, keep training them through the fire.
Yeah. That's kind of like the, oh god, the Nova upgrade. Like, it does, you know, Molotov kind of, it does more damage, I assume. But, like, that kind of effect, you know? Like, on the earlier rounds, it one-shots them, like, as they pass through the first time, then, once you get to, like, max health, it doesn't one-shot them anymore. You have to, like, run them through it, back, and then once again, kill them. But honestly, I enjoyed it. I haven't used it in a while, actually. I haven't even touched a shotgun in a long time.
Yeah. I need some sort of equipment.
Toss the monkey.
It's laughable how little damage we do.
Right.
Did I not drop any, like, grenades or anything? These are the last guys we could just... What's that?
Just die a little on the side when it's not an insta-kill or
Or nuke.
a nuke, yeah.
Honestly, like, one zombie now is almost just as hard to kill as, like, a boss zombie with, like, a triple pack gun on round 40.
Right. Just out here struggling, man.
Monkey.
This is going very well, though. Remember when you said short video?
It's been an hour and 6 minutes we've been at this shit.
Built different.
128,000 points.
Think of all the non-rare ammo to buy.
That's interesting. Some Texas don't one hit zombies unless you stick them anymore.
Some Texas kind of suck.
Yeah, like when I drop either like a Molly or a C4.
I'm killing my train one by one as I throw my, or sometimes 2 or 3, I guess. But as I throw my tomahawk at him. Oh, see there, distracted.
Or C4. 2 C4.
Nice.
That's like 1.5 trains.
Say that, but. Alright,
What do you think about doing?
monkey.
If you want me to toss a C4, see if we could save the monkey.
Sure.
Undead asshole. C4 charge on.
I definitely did that to myself. You have a shroud.
I was, yeah, I was trying.
Oh, not my perks.
Much better.
What's that? Oh, son of a bitch.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, 2 bullets. Okay. Tactical monkey.
Throw a grenade.
He's stuck in the middle again. Just the front of it. Wait a second. You deserve that. What is that?
Oh. Wasn't that a waste of one of ourselves?
It really was.
One. There's a reason they call me a
Oh.
walking legend.
Holy crap.
Son of a bitch got lucky.
You got 2 cells? Question mark? Imagine you could. Oh god. Imagine you could.
Do you have a shroud or no?
No. This is gonna be. Oh my god. It's gonna be tricky, near impossible. Although you don't lose anything.
No, yeah.
But I just can't, can't kill. Oh, can't be killing him,
Don't worry, I killed this crawler.
Much appreciated. Killing them literally one at a time.
No.